In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-up and then select Browse at the bottom in the middle. Finally, you can click on Downloads Received Files category and click on one of those sections, like Download Manager. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!